Chilies and diet are the secret to a healthy life, says AHA study. People could have longer lifespans if they consume chili pepper regularly, as the fruit contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer and blood glucose regulating properties. A new study by the American Heart Association, AHA, has found that adding chili peppers to a diet can contribute to a longer life. According to Fox News, the American Heart Association presented their first research report on Monday, local time, at a virtual conference, Scientific Sessions 2020, during which it shared the findings that the consumption of chili could help people live longer. Chilies are one of the most common ingredients used in cooking. The red chilies tend to have many regulating properties that give proof of their idealness among various spices. Despite the assemblage of hot flavor, aroma and taste that we get from chilies in our dishes, there are a lot of incredible health benefits. People could have longer lifespans if they consume chili pepper regularly, as the fruit contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer and blood glucose regulating properties. These factors play a role in reducing a person's risk of dying from cardiovascular disease or cancer, according to the AHA. More than 570,000 health records of people from the US, Italy, China and Iran were included in its study. The candidates who ate chili peppers regularly had a 26% relative reduction in cardiovascular mortality, a 23% relative reduction in cancer mortality, and a 25% relative reduction in all-cause mortality, according to a report by Fox News. Although researchers have earlier determined the fact that people who consume chili pepper have lower risks of dying from cardiovascular disease or cancer, it could not be determined unquestionably that it solely contributes to prolonging life. We were surprised to find that in these previously published studies, regular consumption of chili pepper was associated with an overall risk reduction of CVD, cardiovascular disease, and cancer mortality. It highlights that dietary factors may play an important role in overall health. More research, especially evidence from randomized controlled studies, is needed to confirm these preliminary findings, said a report senior author Dr. Bosu to Fox News. Please save the trees and nature. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.